Good evening. Welcome back, everybody. Very nice evening out there for us today. We've had calm conditions, high pressure right overhead, but we are beginning to see some of those changes moving into the region. A low pressure system now moving through Minneapolis here right now. You can see those showers and even a very small severe thunderstorm warning associated with that. But for us, we're just kind of seeing all of this moisture begin to make its way through the Great Lakes and now into the Ohio Valley, moving in very soon. So we are going to see some big changes associated with that as it does move closer, but still out there right now, quite dry. We have dew point temperatures around 34 degrees with the air temperature 64 and calm conditions at the surface. It's going to be quite a calm night here tonight. And with that, we will see temperatures dipping down gradually here overnight. But right now we are remaining quite mild with 64 degrees as the air temperature here, and everybody more or less in pretty much the same situation here, down to about 61 degrees in Cincinnati. But we will see things cooling off here tonight. Believe it or not, we had a huge separation between the high or low. 40 degrees when we were waking up this morning, and we ended up topping off at 77 degrees. So that huge change is associated with the dry air that we had, because as the drier air moves itself in, we do see that huge fluctuation with the temperature. The air temperature is able to fluctuate better. As for tomorrow, we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms moving through, a chance for a little bit of severe weather moving through. Most of that should stay off towards the west. The highest chance now located around Indiana and Illinois. With that, we do have a chance to see some of that creep into the region, so we'll time that out and see what it would look like when it does move through. We're going to have this low moving over, and that's going to bring warmer temperatures in for tomorrow. The jet kind of pumping in both the moisture and the heat, and that sets the stage for these showers and thunderstorms to move throughout the region as we go throughout the overnight hours. And you can see that cold front, that is the trigger. They're forming right along that line essentially, and as those move through right around the midnight hour, we do have a chance to see some of those form thunderstorms, possibly with some strong winds moving forward. Overnight here tonight and into the morning, temperatures are going to be picking up, or I should say dropping down to about 50 degrees going throughout the day, a little bit on the breezy side. And once we get into the afternoon, that's where the temperatures are picking up to about 80, but you can see the cloud coverage beginning to move its way through. And as we go into the overnight hours, right at midnight, it seems to be like the time we have that wave of that cold front sweeping through, and that's where we see this line of thunderstorms forming. So something to pay attention to. We'll have better details on that as it approaches for tomorrow. Overnight here tonight, a low temperature only around 52 degrees, so still above the average. Relatively calm conditions, and overall a clear night and a nice night. We should have a relatively nice morning, but the breeze is going to be picking up throughout the day, as well as the cloud coverage. We're starting off sunny, high temperature around 80, and as we go throughout the day, we have the clouds rolling in and the chance for showers moving through, but the bulk of that precipitation arriving through thunderstorms once we get to about the midnight hour. For Thursday, we do have a little bit of a breeze hanging around there, now shifting possibly from the west a little bit. High temperature around 75 degrees. So essentially, we are looking at another fairly nice week of weather ahead there, Cynthia.
All right, looks good. Thanks so much, Jesse.